How's it going, guys? Julian Bradley here from the Jazz Tutorial YouTube channel, and in today's video I just want to quickly share with you a new resource which I've put together. It's called the Jazz Tutorial Roadmap. And one of the most common questions I get is, in which order should I watch your videos in? After all, I've put out over 100 YouTube videos over the years, and they're not really in any sort of order at all. So what I've done is I've gone through, I've taken my best and most important videos, and I've listed them in order. So all you have to do is you start at the beginning, you click on the video you want to watch, and it will take you to YouTube, it will open up the video. And we start out with the fundamentals. So we have interval arithmetic at the very beginning. Then we go to how to read music in 15 minutes. Then we have my complete introduction to jazz, part 1 and part 2. And we just fill out all the fundamentals first. So that way you won't be intimidated or you won't be out of your depth when you get to the intermediate lessons. When we start talking about chord voicings, we have some reharmonization techniques like tritone substitution. And then finally, we get to the advanced lessons. There's really only a couple of advanced lessons, things like my exotic jazz scales for dominant 7 chords and walking bass lines. Now, I've also grouped together some ear training videos. I've grouped together some fun videos, Christmas videos, if you want to do some Christmas jazz piano. They're all here in one easy place, and all you have to do is click on the video that you want to watch and it will open and you can watch it. So this is the Jazz Tutorial Roadmap. It's absolutely free. You can download it just by clicking on the link below this video. And I'd also really appreciate if you could share this with a friend, if you have someone else who's starting out with jazz piano. This would be a really good place for them to start. So I really hope you enjoy this Jazz Tutorial Roadmap, and I'll see you very soon in the next Jazz Tutorial video.